Hello there, welcome to another episode of Samtech Visuals. Today we shall be discussing reasons why generator knocks. You can see that generators are electrical devices that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, which we use in our homes today. And we have various sizes. Some use fuel while some uses diesel. But today we will be looking at a very important aspect of why these things knock. Number one, low oil. Your generator is a mechanical device and it has a compartment where oil is filled for the engine to work. The oil works as a lubricating agent in the generator. So therefore, when the oil is low, it will not be sufficient enough for the engine to work, thereby causing the engine to knock. Number two, failed oil switch. Now, every generator has oil switch inside of it. And what is the function of this oil switch? The function of this oil switch is to turn up the engine when the oil is low. And many times people don't realize that this is a device that can develop fault one way or the other tomorrow. So therefore, because they know that when the oil is low, the device will turn off the engine, so they keep their mind relaxed without checking. And by the time it fails, the engine will eventually knock. And that is why it is very important that you, as an individual, should always check your oil. Check the oil every time you want to use the generator. In case the oil seal pulls off and there's a leakage, or probably fuel from petrol from inside the tank entered into through the valve into the engine, and therefore causing the oil to be mixed up with fuel, thereby making the oil to become watery. So it is of utmost importance that you must check your oil regularly to avoid such scenario. You can see this, for example, now. You can see those holes. It's an effect that there was no oil in the engine that resulted to that engine knocking. Number three, we'll be looking at today is overloading. When you overload the gen beyond the capacity it is built to serve, that will bring a stress on the mechanical part, thereby causing the engine to exert more force or power in trying to produce more electricity, and thereby overstressing the connecting rod. And before you know it, the connecting rod will break into two, thereby causing the engine to knock. Quickly, number four, poor oil quality. If the oil is watery, it will affect the engine. Remember, I told you that oil is working in the generator as a lubricating agent. So when the oil quality is very poor, the lubrication will be very poor, and thereby that will cause the engine to knock. And last is number five is what? Prolonged use without rest. Many of the people use their generator beyond normal procedure. Your generator is supposed to work maximum of 8 hours, then you turn it off to rest. But today, some generator work from morning to evening, which is not supposed to be so. And when it overworks itself, it is stressed up and thereby leading it to knock. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this that will help you in maintaining your mechanical devices. And also share and hit the notification button in order for you to be notified the next time we will upload another video as this. Till I come your way once again, my name is Engineer Elbert Upota. Stay blessed. God bless you.